Hello friends, welcome to our class. In today's class we are going to see a video related to GK. The topic is important books and authors. The first one is Transcendence, My Spiritual Experiences with Pramukh Swamiji. So this was written by Abdul Kalam. Unbelievable, Delhi to Islamabad. This was written by Professor Bhim Singh. 2 years, 8 months and 28 nights. So this was written by Salman Rushdie. So இது ரொம்ப important, Salman Rushdie, அதை நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next one, Globalization, Democratization and Distributive Justice. So this was written by Professor Moolchand Sharma. Making India Awesome. Making India Awesome. This is Chetan Bhagat. Flood of Fire, Amitav Ghosh. Neither a hawk nor a dove. This was written by Khushirshid M. Kazuri. The next one is Red Saree. This was written by Xavier Moro. The Red Saree, Xavier Moro. Sourav Ganguly, Cricket, Captaincy and Controversy. So this was written by Sabdarshi Sarkar. Sabdarshi Sarkar. Sourav Ganguly, Cricket, Captaincy and Controversy. Sabdarshi Sarkar. China, Confucius in the Shadows. China, Confucius in the Shadows. This was written by Poonam Suri. Mrs. Funny Bones. Mrs. Funny Bones. This was written by Twinkle Hannah. Twinkle Hannah. R.D. Burman, The Prince of Music. R.D. Burman, The Prince of Music. This was written by Kahesh Dev Burman. Kahesh Dev Burman. Beyond Doubt, a dossier on Gandhi's assassination. Teesta Setalvad. Okay, Beyond the Doubt, a dossier on Gandhi's assassination. Teesta Setalvad. Benazir Bhutto, a multi-dimensional portrait. Benazir Bhutto, a multi-dimensional portrait. Dr. Anna Suora. Dr. Anna Suora. Modi, Incredible Emergence of a Star. Modi, An Incredible Emergence of a Star. Tarun Vijay. The Accidental Prime Minister, The Making and Unmaking of Manmohan Singh. Sanjaya Baru. Sanjaya Baru. Next one, Hard Choices. So this is an autobiography, Hard Choices, written by Hillary Rodham Clinton. Hillary Rodham Clinton. So another one important, I Am Malala. This is the autobiography, I Am Malala, written by Malala Yousafzai. Okay, Yousafzai, Malala Yousafzai. And then one day, Naseeruddin Shah. So this was written by Naseeruddin Shah. Playing It My Way. Playing It My Way, Sachin Tendulkar. Playing It My Way, Sachin Tendulkar. The Narrow Road to the Deep North. The Narrow Road to the Deep North, Richard Flungan. Next one, Go Set a Watchman, Harper Lee. Go Set a Watchman, Harper Lee. Super Economics, Raghav Ball. Raghav Ball. Family Life, Akhil Sharma. Family Life, Akhil Sharma. Lucknow Boy, a Memoir. Lucknow Boy, a Memoir. Late Vinod Mehta. Late Vinod Mehta. A Brief History of 7 Killings. A Brief History of 7 Killings. Marlon James. Beyond 2020, Your Vision for Tomorrow's India. Beyond 2020, A Vision for Tomorrow's India, APJ Abdul Kalam and Y.S. Rajan. Leading, this was written by Alex Ferguson with Michael Moritz. The Outsider, Frederick Forsyth. The Outsider, Frederick Forsyth. The Courage to Act, a memoir of a crisis and its aftermath. The Courage to Act, a memoir of a crisis and its aftermath. Ben S. Barank. Ruled or Misruled. Ruled or Misruled. Story and the Destiny of Bikar. Story and the Destiny of Bikar, written by Santosh Singh. Written by Santosh Singh. The next one is Hungry Bengal. War, Famine, Riots and the End of the Empire. This was written by Janam Mukherjee. Hungry Bengal, War, Famine, Riots and the End of Empire. Janam Mukherjee. To the Brink and Back, India's 1991 story. Okay, To the Brink and Back, India's 1991 story. Jairam Ramesh. The Pakistan Paradox. The Pakistan Paradox. Christoph Jaffer Lord. Christoph Jaffer Lord. Crusader or Conspirator. Crusader or Conspirator. P.C. Parak. Crusader or Conspirator. P.C. Parak. Born Again on the Mountain. Born Again on the Mountain. Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha. The China Model, Daniel Abel. The China Model, Daniel Abel. Scan of Ikshavaku. Scan of Ikshavaku. Amish Tripathi. Amish Tripathi. Next one. Purity. Purity. Jonathan Franzen. Jonathan Franzen. God Help the Child. So very important. God Help the Child. Toni Morrison. Toni Morrison. God Help the Child. Love plus Hate. Stories and Essays. Love plus Hate. Stories and Essays. Hanif Kurshi. Hanif Kurshi. The Heart Goes Last. The Heart Goes Last. Margaret Atwood. So this is also important. Note it down. The Heart Goes Last. Margaret Atwood. Cheap South. Cheap South. Paul Terrax. Cheap South. Paul Terrax. The Country of First Boys. The Country of First Boys. Amartya Sen. Okay, this is also important. Note it down. The Country of First Boys. Amartya Sen. A Strangeness in My Mind. A Strangeness in My Mind. Orhan Pamuk. Orhan Pamuk. Atom of the Matriarch. Indira Gandhi's final term in office. Diageo Maiorano. Diageo Maiorano. Gods of Corruption. Pramila Shankar. Gods of Corruption. Pramila Shankar. Restart. The Last Chance for the Indian Economy. Mihir S. Sharma. Restart. The Last Chance for the Indian Economy. Mihir S. Sharma. The Tears of the Rajas. The Tears of the Rajas. Ferdinand Mount. The Tears of the Rajas. Ferdinand Mount. The Izzat Factor. My Journey as the Wrong Man at the Right Time. The Izzat Factor. My Journey as the Wrong Man at the Right Time. Subhash Chandra. Nathuram Godse. Nathuram Godse. The Story of an Assassin. Anup Ashok Sardesai. Anup Ashok Sardesai. The Turbulent Year, 1980 to 1996. Volume 2, Pranab Mukherjee. So this is also important, note it down. The Turbulent Year, 1980 to 1996. Volume 2, written by Pranab Mukherjee. Jawaharlal Nehru and the Indian Politics is Perspective. Jawaharlal Nehru and the Indian Polity is Perspective. Professor Dr. P.J. Alexander. Okay. The Kiss of Life. How a Superhero and My Son Defeated the Cancer. So this was written by Emran Hashmi. Okay friends. So these are the important books and authors. Note it down. Okay. Thank you all.